Fleshing Out Your Profile, Part 1. It's great that you have a bee in your bonnet to get your profile up and buzzing, so let's help you get there. On the top right-hand corner of the home page, where you will find your profile name, click on the arrow to open the drop-down menu and head to the Settings tab. This will open you up to a new page with settings. On the top left-hand side of this page is a series of buttons with little icons. From left to right, these are Home, which will take you back to the home page, View Profile, which will show you what your page looks like to the outside world, Social Networks, where you can drop in all your links to your various social media. Remember to save changes before you leave this page. And then Profile Avatar, which is where you will upload your profile picture. Go into your computer system following the instructions given to upload a pic of your choice. You can crop this and then save. Your picture will immediately appear in the top left-hand corner above the buttons we are discussing. Next, you will see the Profile Cover button, which is where you can upload a banner for your profile page. The optimal sizes are indicated in the instructions. Go back to the View Profile button to see what your page looks like. We hope you're feeling ever more connected to the colony. We'll catch you up in the next video.